Hello, how are you? Bonjour, ça va bien? Alors aujourd'hui, on continue notre grill fare et vous avez peut-être vu que j'avais mis sur la rotisserie les aubergines. You might remember that I used the rotisserie on the grill here to bake eggplant. I was wondering if there's any other food that can be cooked on the same device, and pineapple came to my mind. So I have a pineapple here. I trim the skin and I core the center using this device here, and I plug it there and extract the core. So now I have a hollow. As you see now, I have a hollow pineapple. That's one step. But what about the flavor? And I was thinking flavor. Yes. La saveur. Mais qu'est-ce qu'on peut donner comme assaisonnement? La saveur. Première chose, j'ai pensé à du sirop d'érable. Alors je vais badigeonner de sirop d'érable, so I brush maple syrup on the pineapple. Turn the pineapple around, brush, brush, brush. Like this. So it's sweet, delicious. One step. Second step, I was thinking of another sweet. So I have sugar cane, and I'm going to dust the pineapple with cane sugar. Alors j'ai du sucre de canne et je saupoudre l'ananas avec du sucre de canne. Là, on fait le tour, on en met partout et voilà. Troisième chose, pour saveur, en termes de saveur, the next things I was thinking in terms of flavor, I was thinking maybe some spice, something spicy. Talking about cinnamon. Before I put the cinnamon on it, I will load the pineapple on the guide here. Et voilà, je monte l'ananas sur l'arbre pour la rotisserie. Et puis là, je prends la cannelle. Take the cinnamon here and rotate and make sure I have cinnamon all over the place, but not too much. Then, is that complicated? No. So then the next step is bring that to the rotisserie here, engage, turn on the burner, voila, start the engine, on démarre le moteur, ça tourne, et ce que nous faisons, on ferme le couvert, et on va attendre environ une trentaine de minutes pour que l'ananas prenne une couleur dorée. Alors, on vous revient dans environ 30 minutes. We'll be back in about 30 minutes. That's about the time we think the pineapple will create a nice crust. And then let's see in about 30 minutes how it's look like. Okay, we're back, and it's take longer than expected. It's depend on your own grill. So this grill is only 10,000 BTU. Cette grille, c'est seulement 10 000 BTU. Alors, ça a pris un peu plus de temps que j'avais anticipé. Il ne faut pas s'en faire. Regardons le résultat. So let's see how it's look like. It smells good. I can guarantee you that. Woo! Beautiful. Let's turn off the fire. The flame is off. Now let's take this beauty on the serving dish here. Oh, wow. Voila. Even with these gloves, it's hot. So we have the pineapple. There's a crust. And it's cooked. It's not overcooked. It's beautiful inside, as you can see. And one of the dish you can make with this, ce que vous pouvez faire avec l'ananas cuit, une tranche d'ananas, de la crème glacée, du chocolat. Wow! Ça, c'est extraordinaire. Je vous reviens avec le plat. Alors, voici l'ananas à la crème glacée, à la vanille et au chocolat. Vanilla ice cream, chocolate on a slice of baked pineapple. Whoa! Enjoy. It's delicious. It smells very good. It's very tempting. Thank you for watching. Tell your friend. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up maybe if you like it. But more important, try the recipe at home. Try this with your friend. You'll really, really enjoy it. Si vous avez la chance, vous pouvez vous abonner. Vous pouvez dire à vos amis comment vous appréciez les vidéos. Et encore plus important, si vous faites la recette, ce sera encore plus savoureux, plus délicieux pour vous et vos amis. Alors voici ma recette d'ananas sur le grill à la rotisserie. Merci pour votre attention. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Tell your friend, subscribe, maybe a thumbs up. Thank you. See you very soon. Bye-bye.